Welcome back to the MakeCode Arcade live stream. My name is Vivian. I'm at Livestream on the MakeCode forums.
Hi, I'm Jasmine. I'm at JXWoon on the MakeCode forums.
I'm Shannon. I'm at Shakao on the MakeCode forums.
And what are we doing today? We're making games, like always. Why is that even a question? I don't think we ever do anything else. And today we have a plan, but it's no plan at all. So my concept of this game is it's going to be a universal game, and it's going to be a game where you have like the power lines, and you have a little person run on the power lines, and you're like, but the thing of it is the power lines are going to be randomly generated, and that's going to require math. So I'm just gonna start doing it. I'm just gonna write some code, and we're just gonna figure out how to do it. So make a power line sprite, and this is gonna be the height. This is all we need right now. Okay, so we're gonna have like the top of the power line. I feel like it's been ages since we've streamed. I don't know what to do anymore. Power line top, and we're just gonna do it. Shannon and Jasmine, what's new with you? What's up?
Pretty chill. This past weekend, no stream yesterday. It's kind of weird not seeing y'all online.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I feel like when I got on to work today, and I was like, in the meeting, I was just so not used to seeing myself in like a camera, even though it's only been like 3 days. I'm just like, what is this? Also, what is this? Is this what power lines look like?
I think so. I think you're right.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Like lines go from the yeah.
I'm not sure what this does. Maybe it's induction, electricity, conductivity. No. Okay, now it looks like a GitHub thing. Let's get rid of these. Okay, this is gonna be on the top.
Sandrino in the chat asks, how was your Memorial Day break?
Mine was good. I went swimming in the lake. What about you guys?
Went to the park and saw a movie separately. So that was
what do you do at the park, Shannon? What's your like go-to activity?
It's eating. We got food from Xian Noodle, which is a place in university. I've never been. It's really, really good. You guys probably have.
Sorry.
What did you get at Xian Noodles?
Just the cumin lamb noodle.
Classic. Yeah. It's one of my favorite places. Okay, image.
I second that. For this weekend, I spent time with my mom and went shopping with her.
Oh, I thought you said with shopping for, and you were just like, I'm like, for what, Jasmine? Tell me.
Oh, I was shopping for like a graduation dress because since all my friends are graduating this year, I wanted to take pictures with them.
Aww.
So let's try to fit in with this graduation class.
Yeah. Do you guys like decorate your hats at your school?
Yeah, I think that's a tradition that people do at my school.
Oh, did you? Okay. I that's not something that we ever did, but I feel like at our university, some people did it, but it wasn't like nobody sent like a notice out, so I wasn't sure if that was like something I was gonna be doing, so I just didn't do it. Shannon, did you make the hats?
A lot of people in like our class did. I didn't because I was very lazy, but I don't. People do like all sorts of stuff.
Okay,
wait. So what do you do for? How does like a virtual graduation work?
I think it's just a series of slideshows, like picture, name, and like probably last quotes. Yeah, it's just a slide. But hypothetically, if you guys were to design your own graduation caps, what would you guys put on it?
Okay, this is my idea. You have the graduation hat, right? It's like difficult to spot you in the crowd. My pitch is you glue a bowl to it and make it a fruit bowl hat, and then you can hand out snacks at graduation. But maybe some of them are fake fruits, and then you can be like, you know, see how your luck is going. I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
I think it would be fun, but probably not allowed to, like, so you have your like regular hat and you make the base of it like slightly taller and you put like a bunch of confetti in there, and then you have your little like tassel thing, and when you pull the tassel thing, the top shoots out confetti like a confetti cannon, and maybe it like closes back up after, so it's still a hat.
And you have to like fill the confetti again? Can you do that?
I think so. Like maybe you could have like a backpack and it would be like funneling from it.
Like those backpacks that have water in it, but instead of water, it's confetti.
Yes.
I love it.
Vivian.
Yeah.
Webhead artist in the chat suggests that you make a hat made out of chips filled with guac.
Ooh. What if it's like chips made out of guac? Okay, the hat is guac and then there's chips on it. So then as time goes on, I have less hat. That's practical. I like it. Okay, now is this a power line?
Vivian, so sorry, Jasmine's making a face.
What? What do you
No, like I feel like, I mean, it's a very interesting idea. Definitely not out of the ordinary, because back in my high school graduation, I know someone that put a bird's nest on their head, on their cap. So I don't think a bowl is out of the ordinary.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. So, what kind of face was Jasmine? Please make the face again.
I don't know what face she is talking about.
Okay.
It was just like it was a thoughtful face.
Okay, I thought it was like a face. I guess that, you know, that's what's inside me reflecting out. So that one's on me. Yeah. Okay, and then we're gonna place. I just want to see a bunch of random power line heights. Also, how is chat? Just please read me chat verbosely, because I'm not explaining what I'm doing anyway. So.
Chat had a good weekend. Webhead artist published something on Spotify and got pizza and stuff for winning the time jam.
Aw, I love that.
Yeah. Momo went to a place called Ramen Okidoki with their dad, and Unsigned Arduino went to a micro center.
A microbit center?
Micro center? It sounds like an electronics place. Unsigned Arduino. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Why didn't I capitalize this? Tell me. Why is it lowercase? That's fine. Okay, sorry. I'm going to make the power lines move left. That's all I'm doing now. What's your guys like go-to ramen toppings? What do you like on your ramen?
I'm a big fan of corn and the bamboo shoots. Also the Naruto.
Ooh.
Gotta have the Naruto.
Wait, what's that? Please tell me.
Naruto is like a fish cake.
Oh, okay, sure. Okay, sorry. Distance between power lines. I was doing this thing before where I was explaining what I was doing, but I feel like, you know, when it's a small group, it's more fun to just like talk. But how far apart do you think these power lines should be? Maybe like 70? I don't know. I feel like I need to have a loop where it's like, oh yes, you know, we need to decide when we need to make a new power line and then add it. But
yeah, you could do it just on. Do you want the game to speed up as you go, or because you could do it based on time and then adjust that time?
Oh, that's a good point. I didn't have any idea of how this would play. You know, how it would be fun. I feel like there should be things that are set, but yeah, we can make it speed up.
Yeah, there's a Naruto emoji. Chat points out.
What? Oh, I keep on hearing you say Naruto like the person. Is that what you're saying?
Well,
I think it's the same. Oh yeah, go Jasmine.
It's the same.
I was like, oh yeah, it's this. I guess if you're talking about Naruto, like the anime, that's how he got his name, because of like the fish cake.
Oh my hat. Oh, okay, that makes a lot of sense. Okay, cool. I thought because he really likes ramen, so I thought like his ramen was so popular that we created a new ingredient for him. But this other way makes more sense. Yeah. This looks cool. Okay, so first we need to do is set up the distance between the power lines. So we need to do the screen width. So how many times do we need to do it? We need to do the screen width divided by this plus 2 for safety, I think. Plus 1? Plus 1 for safety. I don't know. And then let's do the math of floor, a floor situation, not the ceiling. Floor is hidden. Floor is this one. Yes, floor is this one. And then plus 1. Do you guys think it's summer yet?
Yes. And it's terrible.
What? Please sound happier about it. I supported you through your terrible fall months. Now let me have some.
I'm happy for you.
Thank you. I was not sure because okay, Jasmine, tell me, is this a thing? Is June gloom a real Seattle situation?
I don't. Well, because I'm from Seattle, I don't really experience like the Seattle breeze and like that gloominess. I'm so just used to it.
Uh-huh.
I mean, it does get like darker. Like December, January feels less gloomy, I guess.
Yeah. But like,
what is? Sorry,
Shannon, you go.
What is June gloom?
I hear it's like, oh, it's still bad weather in June, so they call it June gloom.
Oh.
Jasmine, what's your favorite season?
Yeah.
Ooh.
It's there's no wrong answers, probably.
Okay,
But
here's
there's
my
definitely
logic.
a best answer. Sorry.
It's all good. My logic is it has to be like the colder seasons, you know? I feel like it's so easy to get warm up than it is to cool down. So like spring and summer out the window. Now we have winter and fall. Okay, winter, it kind of gets just too cold and dark, while as fall, it's not as dark. It doesn't get as dark as fast. So that's why my favorite season is fall.
That's solid.
That's the right one, Jasmine. That's the correct one.
I'm so upset because I was like, the logic is so good, right? And it sounds like she QED'd me, but that's fine.
Chat, what about you guys? Also chat. Feel free to chime in.
Yeah.
Chat says, Momo says summer in Texas is horrible, and that is a fact.
Oh my gosh. Wait, Jen, have you been in Texas in summer?
I've been in Texas in January. Oh no, sorry. Momo says that's just a fact. That was the.
Okay, sorry. If I want to have the rightmost power line, can I just get the array of all of them and pick the last one since it'd be the last one made?
The rightmost one.
Yeah.
I think so. But why do you want the rightmost one?
Oh, because when I destroy one, I thought maybe we should make another one at the other end.
Okay, and then you're gonna
place it the distance away. Like if to take the rightmost one, get the X, and then add the distance between the power lines to place it.
Oh, I see. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Oh, maybe I shouldn't do auto destroy then, because then if it starts off screen, then I'll deal with the destroy later. Okay, I'll deal with the destroy now because otherwise it's not gonna work. Okay. If the power line's right, maybe this won't be a game. Maybe it'll just be a city simulator. Driving through this city simulator. we gotta set obtainable goals today. We're getting warmed up, you know. It's the first stream of the week.
Oh, it's also first stream of the month too.
Man, but that one feels like it should be special. Okay, we're gonna make the best game ever. We're managing expectations. Expectations is this is gonna be an amazing game.
Yes. Dubix in the chat says they like darkness, so winter is their favorite season. And Unsigned Arduino says summer because no school.
Oh man, but you know that could change after you graduate. But I like where your head's at. You know, I see great potential in you, and all you summer lovers. Yeah. Okay.
Don't
So
move it that says fall because it's cool and fall leaves.
I feel like Seattle's spring is very nice. More than back in Illinois. I feel like it's longer.
Oh, there's flowers everywhere.
Yeah, I feel like in Illinois you have like 1 or 2 days of flowers, and then it's over. But in Seattle, it's like months and months. The flowers just don't quit. Okay, and then we need the length of this one -1 to get the rightmost. I'm just hoping that this will work at this point. Okay, and then Powerline sprite. Let's make a new Powerline sprite. Wait, no. Let's new Powerline. Wow, all of these are the same variable, but they all mean something different. Okay, what did I call Powerline? It's 2 words. Am I not consistent with making it 1 or 2 words? Excellent. Set Powerline.
There's one that has a space and one that doesn't.
Wait, no, I hate that. Okay, well, this is the life we've chosen. Okay, so the x is going to be the x of this one plus the distance. Jeez, so long. Wait, no, I need to do math with it first. Math. Add. What are we adding? We are adding the distance. It's a long block, so it's easy to spot. Yeah. Okay, and then we need to set the bottom to be 120. Okay, now it's gonna look cool. Why is it maybe
I think because it started out 2 of them close together. If you restart, because they start from the middle, right?
No,
yeah,
they start
from 2 of them.
Oh
no, sorry.
But then even if it was 2 really close to each other, wouldn't, when one gets destroyed, it'd still be placed far away theoretically?
I think it's hitting the same last one. Or no, you're right.
I'm going to make a function. It's going to be like get furthest right one.
I think you can, if you just, when you create it, if you set that variable to the newest created one, that variable will always be the latest one because it's global.
Okay. I'm going to make, Powerline. I see. So let's make this one not Powerline. Let's make this. No, let's do, oh my gosh. Okay, let's do temp x. And then we're going to just get the x of the Powerline x currently. Okay. And then we'll save it. Shannon is thinking 4 steps ahead. Powerline x. Okay. And then instead of doing this nonsense, we're just going to put in temp x. Nope. Okay. And even if there's 2 placed really close to each other, it'd be... That's beautiful. I don't mind that. Okay, that's working. And let's space them out a bit further because this looks silly. Why would you put so many things? That's just a waste of resources. Okay, that looks good. Now, next thing we needed to do. Oh, maybe it's time. Or should we? I'm trying to decide if we want sprite data. We probably don't need it because we can just get it from this. Okay, we're not bringing in sprite data. You tell us. Now here's the tricky part. We need to decide. Isn't there like a physical? Okay, so the thing is, I want to make the strings in between the power lines, right? But they have to look cool and realistic. And I think that's an equation, right? But I don't know what that equation is. But maybe it's physics. Does anybody remember the physics equation, which is like something and there's like a height, and then you do something and then there's like the starting height? Is it just y equals mx plus b? No, that's a straight line. The physics, there's like 1/2. There's gravity somewhere.
Oh, is it? I think it's x plus, I forget the middle portion, but it's 1/2 a. Okay, actually, let me just Google that.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Okay, while you do that, I'm going to make these move slower because it's too fast. On game update every 20 milliseconds. Let's do this. We'll just
I'm
change
glad
this.
you guys remember because I was so bad at physics. I have no idea what this is.
I was bad at physics. I was bad at physics in high school, but it was better in college. Okay, and instead of doing that, we're just going to pause here. And it can be like increasing times.
I think if you do the pause, it might need to be in a forever.
Thank you, Shannon. Also, if you want to think of how we want to make the game fun, like we can jump over the top. That's an easy. Like I feel like that's have to do, right?
Yeah.
Actually, while Jasmine's figuring out the math, thank you, Jasmine. So glad you're on stream today. I'm gonna make a character.
I have the equation pulled up. Are you ready for it? Or you can make.
Oh yeah, I'm ready for it.
All right. I hope this is the equation you're talking about. It's x naught plus b naught times t plus 1/2 a t squared.
What's not?
Does that sound? Oh, it's not. Does it involve time at all?
Oh.
No. It's with the little 0 at the bottom. It's like x sub 0.
Oh. Okay. Sorry. Okay, I'm ready now. Sorry, I got lost really early on.
Oh yeah, x naught plus v naught times t.
Times t.
Plus 1/2. A t squared.
A t squared. Okay, and I feel like this translates to something when it's not being thrown. So x is the same. And what does this equal? Equals?
It's equal to x, so final position.
Final position. I see.
So it's starting x plus starting velocity times the current time equals 1/2 acceleration times squared.
Yes.
This is wrong? No, it's fine. Okay, now, yeah. but in this case, when there's no velocity or acceleration involved, what do we know? Okay, we know the final position. Okay, what if, okay, well, we know the final position. We know the starting x. We just have to make everything else. I feel like this is the wrong way to be going about this. Let's just make straight lines for now and deal with this later. Make it fun. We're just going to put it in a function and we'll fix it later. Okay. Make Powerline sprites. Okay. Oh, yes. Now we might have to do multiple sprites ahead. Come back to math. Okay. I'm trying not to do the math. I really don't want to do the math. We'll get away from the math quickly. Okay. So this one I want to do +1 because we want 2 extra. So then we can have like a secret one off the screen because we need to make the power lines. And we're going to make the function. Okay, let's add the function. Where are we going to add to it? We're going to do left power line. Oh, man. Is power line 1 word or 2 words? 1 word?
1 word?
Cover all the bases. Can't be wrong. If we cover all the bases. Okay. So we're going to make a sprite. Oh, what are the poles called? Because these are going to be the... Wait, this is...
I think they're just poles.
This is the wrong function. Yeah.
Post.
Okay. Well, the convention is wrong, but... Okay. Left power line, right power line. Make power line sprites. Make power line sprite. Rich is not here today, so he can't complain about my namings. Lines. Okay. Let's call this one line sprite. And what is this going to be? It's going to be a variable line image. Maybe I shouldn't have made this in separate. That's okay. It's okay. It's going to be a new image. What is it? It's going to be a width. It's going to be and what's the width? The width is going to be the distance between the 2 power lines. So get this one, and we get this one. Okay, and then we do some math, subtracting. So it's the right minus the left, and the height is going to be the distance, the difference in their heights. Yes. Height, and it's going to be an absolute value situation. Absolute of. Now, well, how do we draw the lines? Okay, let's just draw it. Should we do, is there a way to do it in code where it's not just like if one of them is shorter than the other one?
I think if you just did, I mean, you have the coordinates, right? I don't think you need the, yeah, so you have the X and Y. So you just need to subtract the
height. Oh, minus 16.
height. Yeah.
Yeah. But the reverse of that. Okay, so the height minus 16. And then take the height. I don't think that's right. That's not right.
Unsigned Arduino has a very interesting suggestion.
What's that?
Which is that we create an invisible sprite and then take another one on top, animate that one. So we use the SVG's like quadratic curve, and then you do the like drawing thing. So you would take the sprite position and you would use that to draw out a curve between two heights.
Oh, I see. The math's already built in for us. Why aren't we using it to our advantage? Okay, wait. So how do we do this? Okay. Animate. Okay, let's do all the code as fake code, right? This is going to be a secret thing. That's new variable secret. Shh. And it's going to be a sprite of 1 to 1. And it's going to be 1 pixel. Totally normal sprite. Okay, we're gonna animate it. Secret with. What are we gonna do it? We're gonna animate. Okay, we're gonna build our string. Join, and it's quadratic, and it's x difference. Oh, and we just put this in here. Plus space plus y difference. Actually, this no need for this to be a secret. What am I doing? Okay. X difference plus Y difference. And is that it? Do we need a control point?
I do not have the SVG commands memorized.
Okay, I'm going to say no because that'd be nice. And then let's get rid of this for now because they were not helping us. What's helping us is this secret sprite. Okay, we wanted it to be speedy. Okay, yeah. 1 millisecond. Okay, let's see if that works. And then, wait. But then we would have to wait for time for it to.
Yeah, so I think it would be, so you would have to do it like off screen ahead of time. No, because it has to render to do the thing. Yeah, this might not work with the game loop setup.
Pain. Or we can. Yeah. Okay. Let's go back to the other way. Sad. Okay. No, we're not sad. We're happy that we're doing math. We're happy that we're learning so much math. And we're definitely learning things from just putting random things in. Okay. Draw on a line. We're drawing a line from X to this right. And then how do we know whether it's just the difference in the height? It's just the difference in the height.
Yes.
Right power line, left power line height. But which one's the tall one? Instead of figuring this out, we're just going to do this. Okay, so if this, why do we have so many blocks, is greater than 0. Oh my gosh. Then we do something, otherwise we do the other thing. And then if it's greater than 0, that means the right one is taller than the left one. So the Y is going to be at the bottom one. So it's going to be at this. And then the Y top is going to be that. Otherwise, it's the other way around. And then we're just not gonna worry about it. It's just gonna be, these are very taut power lines because the city is running out of money, and we're trying to minimize on wire costs. Okay, I'm not even like, oh my goodness, why isn't it working? Because I know why. Because I didn't call my function. I was not confused about it for 1 second. No, sir. Okay, so then after we make all our power lines, we need to make the things in between the power lines, and that's going to be the array of no, it's in Sprites now. It's been like that for ages. Array of sprites of kind power line. Yes. And what is it going to be? It's going to be the length of that -1, because we're just going to call it on all the left ones followed by all the right ones. And we need to figure out which one are the right and left ones. Should we make an array of all the power line things in the right order? We can't trust.
Yeah. I mean, I think it generally is ordered. I'm not sure how like super reliable it is. We should just try it with this and see how it goes.
Okay. We have faith in the arrays. Okay. I'm gonna call make power line sprite. Oh right, I didn't finish making the sprite yet. What time is it? Oh, 1:30. We're speeding. Okay, it is okay. Line image. So then we've got to finish doing this. So line sprite is gonna be the line image. And then we're going to return it so we can position it later. Why are you complaining? You should not be. Is it complaining about something over here? Is it complaining about something over here? Get rid of these. It's not complaining more? Mysterious. Right power line, left power line. Is it because I'm calling it on... Oh, okay, that's my fault. That's my bad. Okay. So what are we going to call this on? Well, first we're going to use this kind, and we're going to get array of sprites, get value at the index and the index +1. Yes, sir. Get value at index. That's the left one. And the index +1 is the right one. These variable namings are poor and not future proof. Okay, now we have the lines. It's mad because this is inclusive, so this should be minus
2. Yeah.
Okay, -2. Set the lines. And then we're going to position. I'm suspicious that I'm not seeing it. But we're just gonna hope that positioning it will fix it, and if not, we're gonna actually think about it. Okay, so the x is gonna be the x of the lines. No, the left. And then I'll deal with the top later. Please work. Please. That's okay. Okay, line image, set line sprite, image to be line image, draw line. Okay, let's figure out why. So we're gonna console log. What are we logging? We're going to do the distance between the two, because I'm suspicious that it's not actually doing like the left and the rights,
Yeah.
80. Wait, that's right. Isn't it?
Can you fill the image with like pink or something real quick, just so we can see where the sprites are?
Yeah. Let's do, okay, that's in images. Fill picture with pink and then line image. Okay.
Oh, wait, can you go back to where you're creating line image?
Oh, like in this one?
In the draw. Yeah, it's got width 0.
Good call, Shannon. Good call, Shannon. If I could give you a star, I'd give you 1,000 stars. Ah, there we go. Okay, let's get rid of this. And then let's also move all the power lines. And by power lines, I mean lines. Yup. Okay. Not bad. Some of them are missing. So one of the cases is wrong. So if height, the right power line. Oh, well, now.
Oh, no, because you're not drawing them for the new ones.
That's a quarter. No. It's a quarter.
I think any quarters that we get today also count as a quarter for Joey, who left us without the quarter bot. So
Agree. Yeah. So not our fault. Okay, so we're gonna make a power line, and we're gonna make it on the new power line. Ooh. Okay. So I was trying to be tricky before by not having another power line themed variable, but it's just gonna be easier if we do this. Old power line to be this. Will this get a copy of it? I don't know. We'll see. This is gonna be a variable. What is it gonna be? It's gonna be the lines. The lines. Ah, okay. And then we're gonna position it. Position X. May as well just copy the code from over here. Meh. The things I'll go to not have to drag out new blocks. Okay. And then instead of this, it's gonna be old power line. Will this work? Probably. Double quarter. Okay, so still this direction's not working, but when we make new power lines, yes, new power lines are generating more lines. So now all we have to do is figure out when the left side is taller. Okay, so right power line height minus left power line. Oh, it's okay, so we need to draw a line, and then right power line.
Like you don't.
Should it be this?
Yeah, I mean.
Sorry, Shannon, what?
Oh, I was gonna say, I feel like you don't need cases if you position the image. Oh, but it's positioned after. If you positioned it first, then you could take the top of the image minus top of the power line minus the top of the image, and it would just like start it wherever the first one is, and then you could draw it to like the top of the second power line minus the top of the image.
Don't we still need cases to position it though? That one was super short.
And then the position, you would take the max of the two and just like set the height to be that, or the top to be.
Oh. Okay.
Wait, okay, but this is basically working, so it's fine.
Okay. I'm amazed that, okay, the heights are wrong because we aren't even setting the heights, but we're going to do that based on what Shannon said, and then it's going to be good, and we're going to just have the little person running around in only 20. We have 20 minutes to spare. Excellent. We love to see it. Okay. So what is it going to be? The top. Oh, it's the max of the two. Oh, Shannon's really thinking 12 steps ahead today. Thank goodness. Okay, we have a number and we have another number. But what are these numbers going to be? Well, let me tell you. It's going to be the left and the right power lines. Oh, man. Okay, well, before we put those in, let's just do the tops. Because those are long blocks. Okay, tops. And then we put this in on the right. And this on the... Isn't that beautiful coding where the left and the right are the left and the right? And let's copy this and then drag it. Drag. Yeah. No. It's on the destroyed code. Here. Okay. The lines. And then the left one is old Powerline. Get out of here. Nope. Get out. Okay, get in there. And then the new one is Powerline. Get out of here. Okay. There. Now these are going to be beautiful power lines. Some of them are short. Oh, it's min.
Yeah, oh geez, you're right.
It's difficult because we're thinking a lot about heights today. Oh, that was a no power line case. Well, if they're the same height, we have a problem. Okay, so the height, make a power line. Nope. Make a this line image. Let's do this +1. I feel like there is a case where like I could code it right and not have to do this. But we're so close to having it working, so I feel like just gonna do that. Now will it work? Give me a flat one. Also, I feel like it should be power lines, tops, max plus a few. Do we want to fix that today?
It's looking good to me.
Okay, then you know what?
Yeah, I think if you just take the max plus like 3 or something, it looks like it just like.
Yeah. Let's do that. You know, it's a small thing. The only thing is it's like when you're tired after running for so long and you can't walk any further, but that's how I feel about dragging across the workspace. I'm just like, oh. And instead of it is +3. Thank goodness. I did not want to drag all the way back across.
Oh,
it's okay. It's not going to be like that. Yes, beautiful. Look at these power lines. We engineered them. Yes, sir. Call us electricians. Yeah. Okay, and now it's like Flappy Bird. Okay. Anyway, main character. And I want it to be like a tiny person because it's big power lines. Okay, 3, maybe like maybe we do like a 6 situation so we can have them like running. Be like. Yeah. No, that doesn't. Okay, I'm not gonna make a stick figure. That's silly. I'm going to make it a person. That could be a person.
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe do I want to animate?
You have yet one vertical space at the top that you could.
Oh, like drag it up one.
Oh, it would just give you more space at the bottom if you wanted.
True. Why am I hoarding space? Pixels for later. Now is the time to be using it. Maybe I'll like animate the legs. I don't know how people run. We'll just keep it like that. We'll just animate them differently. Okay. Main character. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah. Okay, sure. I'll take it. Okay, so then how is the main character gonna look? Or where are they gonna be? Well, main character, let's keep them at the same like X position is my thought, just like in Flappy Bird. So let's make it 40. Yeah, that's a good place. Okay. And let's make like an overlap sprite. So let's make a sprite that's super, super tall so then we can figure out where on the power lines we are. So new variable, overlaps sprite. Shh. And then it's going to be 1 pixel wide and then 120 tall. It's going to be pink. And then we're going to make it, put the flags on it to make it effective. And what is that? It's invisible overlaps. That's what makes it shh. Yep. Okay, and then let's do on our forever. Now let's do a different loop on game update. Okay. Now we need to figure out like where on the Y they're going. And then to do that, we need to go through all the lines and find the ones that we're overlapping with. Or should I just do an overlaps code?
How are you gonna find where in the...
Oh, then do the subtraction of like the left of the lines is overlapping with us. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And then okay, so let's just do the for loop. Okay, so this is the one we're overlap the line we care overlapped line.
Wait, I think this might be better in an overlaps handler because then you can just set the Y, right?
Yeah. Okay, cool. Yeah, I like that. Whew. Don't have to deal with naming that. Okay. Also, we didn't set the kind of this. This is gonna be overlapper. Okay. And then we have to do the overlapper with the kind of lines. Yes. And then we need to determine the player's bottom. So set, who is it? Main character, bottom, to be, and it's going to be the Y of the pixel that is black at that point. And we can get that by, okay, for element index of, okay, we'll do if, and then we just get the one where it's like picture color. There's no is something. Okay, equals. What color is black? 15?
That seems right.
Yeah. Okay. And then what else? Okay, so the for loop. We got to make our for loop right. And how is that going to be? It's going to be the height of the lines. Man, imagine if we didn't do the overlaps and we had to do a for loop to figure out which lines we overlapped with. What a headache. Okay. Now we have to get the sprite image. What is this other sprite image? Sorry, I started thinking of something else. I was trying to think, what if we didn't make this with images and instead we did it with like time lapse? But okay, that's not useful. That's not useful to be thinking about right now. Right now we gotta think of this. Okay, so then we need the overlap X. Is there a better way we could have done this instead of just doing it like this?
I don't think so because we can't do like graceful slopes on a tile map.
Okay.
So it would be sort of like stair step looking no matter what.
Okay. Cool. I'm not even gonna think about it. Live life with no regrets. Okay, and then Y, what is it? Y is gonna be this. And I think we need to do height -1. Because the height is or the for loop is gonna use that one. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so if that is that, then we need to send the main character bottom. Oops, I want this, please, to be the image top plus the value. Yes. Okay, other sprites. Top plus index. And that's gonna work. Yep. I don't need to call a function. It's an overlaps. Go down, please. That's all. No. Oh. Wait, I didn't set the overlapper to be the position of the main character. Yes. Yes.
It's doing something.
Yes. Okay. Now it will work. I swear, is it? It's not changing as much as I would like it to be. Is it because the overlap only calls once each time it overlaps the new one?
You should call once per every frame.
Oh. Okay, well then maybe my for loop is wrong. Okay, other sprite image, color at sprite X. Okay, let's make it not invisible first, because this is difficult. Difficult and hard. This is coding in the worst mode, hard mode. Okay.
Color at
it's
why it should be index? Yeah, you were you were already. Vivian!
Yay! Okay. I want to animate the little person with jumping. Okay, now we got to just implement jumping, and we got to implement the person touching the... Okay. Person touching the power line or the poles is easy. So let's make this invisible again. And let's do on A button press. We're just going to give the person velocity. Wait. And then when it overlaps with the line again, we'll stop it. Ah! It's beautiful. We love it. Okay. Main character, VY. Oh, we need to give them gravity too. That's fine. VY to like -300. Let's give them gravity to begin with. Actually, what the heck am I doing? Let's collapse blocks. Let's format code. Now I don't have to exercise and run over far away. Okay, let's give them gravity. Set main character acceleration. This is gravity to be like 500. Now, what are we doing? Why are you angry? You're not even being used. Okay, A button press. Sorry. Maybe let's just see. Oh, okay. We also need to do another thing. Okay, now we need to disable the Y placement because we want them to jump. So is jumping. We gotta set is jumping to true. Okay. Collapse. And then on the overlaps, if we're not jumping, we want a position. If not, is jumping. Then we're going to position. And then how do we decide if we're not jumping? And overlaps of the main character with the lines. It's beautiful. Main character, which is player, and then lines on this overlap. So we're going to set as jumping to false. Is that everything we need to do? Well, they're falling because of the gravity. Let's only set gravity if we're... Okay, they're jumping really high too. Okay. Let's get rid of gravity. Gravity doesn't matter when you're running on the lines. Also, we need to think of a good pun for the game title. I feel like we used to care more about the game title.
We did. We used to spend... But I think we've been running close to the limit in terms of just like making games now.
True. Well, okay, 6 minutes. We've got time. Okay, acceleration 0. Yay. Okay, maybe acceleration shouldn't be so much. It should be like 300. I want to animate them. I want to be like boo, 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 and then like a jumping animation. That'd be cute. Okay, that's still...
Oh, wait, I think, yeah. If you make the acceleration more... Yeah. Try this.
Okay.
Oh, tiny hop. Oh, I just said tiny hop.
Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. Okay, that's fine. And then the last thing we need to do is do the overlaps of the thing, and we can tune everything else. But before we do that, overlaps player with the power line, which is underscore. We're going to set. Okay, we're gonna game over it. Isn't this just Flappy Bird?
But it's on a power line. It's different.
Yeah, but it's on a power line. And how many points?
I think when the power line is destroyed, you should get a point.
Okay, sure. That's easiest. Yes. Okay, on destroyed of kind. Let's just do the points here. Info, change, score by 1. Easy. And then collapse. And then also let's do it on our forever. Let's speed it up. Let's do a variable. Pause time. That's nonsense. Okay, let's set pause time. This is 20 right now. That's fine. Okay, collapse blocks. And then forever, we need to change the pause time by -1. No, let's do a set, and then let's do a max. Max. Okay, max. And the fastest it could be is 5. And then otherwise it's pause time -1. Beep, 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 beep. Okay, there. It's going to accelerate. The line should randomly spark and you have to jump over. I love that. Okay, that's that max of 2, and then also let's make it a random change, and it's going to be like rare for it to increase the speed. 10%. Okay. Zap. I love that. Okay, but we all okay. Points. Okay, sorry, I was looking at the points and not looking at the game. This is hard. Maybe I need to increase the jump more. Yeah, I need to increase the jump. Okay, we'll increase. I feel like I had 200 before. 180.
Nice.
Okay, yeah, okay. Not loving the positioning of the character, but that's fine. I think more importantly, we need to do the animations. Okay, so on start, let's get the main character image. Excellent. Okay. A 6x6. I thought I copied it. Do I need to pick it up again? Okay, there we go. And then copy. Maybe on one case we have one leg, and the other case we have the other leg. It has to be fast because you're running on power lines. Oh gosh, this doesn't look like running. You can't. I don't know if you guys can.
Maybe if the first one had 2, so the wide one has 2 legs.
This one?
Yeah, and the other one has 1 leg. In the middle, like the leg shifts back.
Oh. Yes! This is great. Main character. Okay, gotta copy this. We have 1 minute left. So, as I drag this animation over, we're gonna do our outros. So thanks everybody for watching us today. I feel like, did we do math? We didn't do math. We did some math. And I hope you learned not to touch power lines. This is my PSA now. Anyway, my name is Vivian. I'm at Live Cheerful on the MakeCode forums.
I'm Jasmine at JXMoon on the MakeCode forums.
I'm Shannon at Shakao on the MakeCode forums.
And loop needs to be on. Okay. Let's see if this works. They're running. They don't. Lions. Animate. Okay. It doesn't work, but I'll fix it before I post it, and you'll see a beautiful game. You won't even remember this moment, and it'll be awesome. Okay, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.